Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best smart home gadgets is probably one of the most exciting categories on Amazon Launchpad right now, offering innovative solutions that can truly transform your daily life, from automating mundane tasks to enhancing your security and entertainment. These cutting-edge products are designed by independent creators and startups, bringing fresh perspectives and groundbreaking technology directly to your doorstep, making it easier than ever to build a smarter, more connected living space that adapts to your needs and preferences. Number 5. Tide PODS Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent, 81 count. Discover the refreshing scent of Spring Meadow with Tide PODS. Experience a powerful clean that leaves your clothes smelling fresh and looking bright. Tired of messy liquids and powders? These convenient pods offer an easy way to get a superior clean. Simply toss one in for a brilliant wash every time. Our advanced formula penetrates deep into fabrics to lift away dirt and stains. It tackles tough messes while being gentle on your clothes. Enjoy the invigorating aroma of Spring Meadow long after the wash is done. Your laundry will feel and smell as good as new. Get more washes with this generous 81 count package. It's the perfect solution for busy households needing a reliable and effective detergent. Make laundry day simpler and more effective. Choose Tide PODS for a clean you can see and a scent you'll love. What we like. Tired of messy liquid detergents? These pods offer a powerful clean with a delightful Spring Meadow scent. If you're looking for a hassle-free laundry experience and want to simplify your routine, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for busy individuals who want effective cleaning without the mess. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The build quality is excellent and feels very durable. The features are innovative and work as advertised. Number 4. Rocketbook Core Reusable Notebook. Capture your ideas with the included pen. Digitize them effortlessly using our app and store them in your favorite cloud service. Then, simply wipe the pages clean and start fresh. Our app lets you scan and upload your work directly to cloud platforms. This connection ensures your creativity is accessible from anywhere. Crafted from premium dotted paper, it features a spiral binding and a waterproof cover. The grid layout offers flexibility for all your notes and sketches. Available in 2 convenient sizes, it's compact enough to fit into any bag. Enjoy portability and versatility wherever you go. Designed with sustainability in mind, it helps reduce paper waste. Enjoy a paper-like notebook that can be used repeatedly, saving your work and letting you erase the rest. What we like. Say goodbye to endless paper notebooks. This reusable notebook lets you capture your thoughts, digitize them, and then wipe the pages clean. If you're a student, creative professional, or anyone who loves jotting down ideas but wants to reduce waste, this is the perfect tool for you. It's ideal for those who value sustainability and digital organization. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The build quality is excellent and it feels very durable. The features are well thought out and enhance the user experience. Number 3. Decksaver DS-PC-LAUNCHCONTROXL Protective Cover. Introducing the Decksaver DS-PC-LAUNCHCONTROXL, designed specifically for your Novation Launch Control XL. It offers robust and stylish protection for your valuable console. Crafted from high-impact polycarbonate, the same material used in bulletproof glass, this cover ensures durability and resilience. Keep your cables connected while protecting your device. This cover is designed for convenience and ease of use. This protective cover is engineered to perfectly fit the Novation Launch Control XL controller, safeguarding it from dust, spills, and damage. Experience superior protection with its strong and attractive design. It's the ideal companion for your Novation controller. Proudly manufactured in the United Kingdom, this cover represents quality and precision engineering. What we like. Protect your valuable Novation Launchpad Control XL with this robust cover. It offers strong, attractive protection against dust and spills while allowing cables to remain connected. If you're a DJ or producer who frequently transports your gear or wants to keep it pristine in your studio, this cover is a must-have. It ensures your controller stays safe and ready to perform. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that looks great on my countertop. I love how easy it is to use and clean. The instructions were clear and concise. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 2. The Lean Startup by Ries. Discover the revolutionary build, measure, learn feedback loop. It's the core of how today's entrepreneurs achieve extraordinary success. Embrace continuous innovation to adapt and thrive in any market. This approach ensures your business stays ahead of the curve. Learn the strategies to create radically successful businesses. We'll guide you through the process of building something truly remarkable. Unlock the essential principles that drive entrepreneurial success. Understand how to apply these concepts to your own venture. Master the Lean Startup methodology for efficient and effective business building. It's the modern way to innovate and grow. What we like. Unlock the secrets to building a radically successful business. This book teaches you how to leverage continuous innovation to thrive in today's market. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a startup founder, or a business leader looking to adapt and grow, this is essential reading. It provides a framework for sustainable success in a dynamic environment. What people say. The product is a great value for the price. I love the design and how it works. This product has many useful features. Number 1. MANGOSLAB Nemonic Wireless Portable Label Printer. Enhance your business organization with this wireless portable printer. It provides a professional and adaptable solution for all your labeling needs. Seamlessly integrate into your workflow with both Bluetooth and USB connectivity. It ensures flexibility across mobile devices and PCs. The intuitive app offers diverse templates and fonts, integrating smoothly with your files. Its scan and print function simplifies label creation effortlessly. It ensures consistent and professional results with its high resolution and auto-cut options. This printer is built for reliability and durability, lasting up to 35 hours on a single charge. Operate inkless, reducing maintenance costs and offering a sustainable solution. It's perfect for businesses seeking efficient and easy labeling. What we like. Streamline your small business operations with this efficient label printer. It prints durable shipping labels wirelessly and is incredibly portable. If you're a small business owner who needs a reliable and cost-effective way to create professional labels on the go, this is the solution. Its ease of use and connectivity options make it perfect for any mobile setup. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble and use, with clear instructions provided. The build quality is excellent, feels sturdy and durable. It performs its function perfectly and exceeded my expectations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.